All right, we're back here again. Colossal Breaks. We are doing a box break review of 2024 Panini Prizm. Looking for a Caitlin Clark, numbered. Anything? Got a few of them. Not good ones, but decent ones. These boxes are pricey, but we want to get something. We'll see. So keep hitting them. WNBA 2024 Prizm. There we go. Pack. Cynthia Cooper, Courtney Williams, Powers, Lee Murphy, Kayla. Pioneers of Yolanda Griffin, not numbered. Haley Jones with the blue, that's 15 out of 199. Lexi Brown. Mila, Sarah, Natasha. Ariel, Ruthie, Sydney, Jalen, Grace, Chelsea. Fireworks of Isa. Excuse me, Uber. Fireworks. Alicia Clark, numbered 138 of 499. Prizm of Derica Hamby. Tasha Cameron Brink, and a Lindsay Allen. Erica, Ajay Wilson, Keisha Davis, J.C. Sheldon, Diamond Miller, Caitlin Clark, rookie base, Fractal of Skylar Diggins-Smith, Jay Wilson, 11 out of 25 on the Ajay Wilson. She's just signed a Nike deal, I believe. They win the championship or something. Oh, that's a good one. Tina Pritchard, Lexi Brown, Leah Cooper. Ellen Del Don. I'm gonna write it. Janie Carter, Rachel Moe, Lisa Leslie, Tiffany Mitchell, a Eureka Jackson Kaleidoscope rookie, not numbered. Red Joni Carrington, 243 out of 299. Kelsey Plum, Rena Marmor, Sue Bird, and Natasha Smith. Lexi Hull, Cheryl Swoops, Gabby Palmector, Clea Thornton, Joe Lloyd, Diamond Shield. Here's our auto of Angel McCoughtry. 43 out of 49. Angel McCoughtry. Derica Hamby, 195 out of 199. Veronica Burton, Sophie McKenna, Leah Edwards, and Lou Lopez. Brittany, Maya, Alicia Gray, Williams, Coffee, Brown, and here's our second auto, Lena Del Donnie. It's not numbered. Lena Del Don. All right, Lauren Jackson with the red, 251 out of 299. Cooper, Elizabeth Kelly, Alicia Clark, Kate Martin. Emily Ellingston, Tasha Kohler, Maureen Jones, Sabrina Stewart, Dana Taurasi, Sabrina Angel Reese with the groovy. Angel Reese with the groovy. Camila Cardoso, Refractor, Nika, Dorka, Angel Reese, Jordan Munson. Sabali, Zia Kuhn, Wayne Hamilton, Kelsey Mitchell, Lee Murray, Jerry Hayes. Oh, wow, 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 wow. We got something here, and I think this is... Wow, all right. I think we got a hit here. We have a Caitlin Clark rookie groovy. I think this is numbered. I'm scared. What number is this? Woo-hoo-hoo. Nice. We finally got a nice Caitlin Clark, I think. I think this has to be a good one. We've been looking, and I think this is, where the buck stops here. It looks like this is a groovy. See how that's just like a base groovy? This is something, right? I don't know what this could be, like, I don't know, 200, 300, but let's flip it. Nice. Come on, something. Ooh, 1 out of 25. Caitlin Clark, groovy. Wow. Holy. We got something. 1 out of 25. Caitlin Clark, groovy. We finally got something good. I don't know how much these go for, but Caitlin Clark, it's 1 out of 25, and it is a Caitlin Clark groovy, folks. Whoo! Wow. Nice. Beautiful. Finally got a nice Caitlin Clark. I mean, this has got to be decent. Better than the refractors. Wow. All right. Careful with this one. That's cool. Groovy, baby. Nice. Jeez. Hands are shaking. Clean. All dirty. Wow. All right. 1 out of 25. A Caitlin Clark rookie groovy. Don't know how much these go for, but hey, if it's 100, 500 something, we finally got something. A nice Caitlin Clark. I mean, better than the other ones. I really wanted one, and we got a low number. We got a 25, 1 out of 25. That's a groovy one too. That's cool. All right. Whew, nice hit. And then we got Kate Lou on the 444 out of 499. Let's see, Elizabeth Kinley, Staley, Jefferson, Elena. Martin Howard, McDonald, Jones, Evans, Lonnie, Sammy Whitcomb. Top tier, do you want a Bonner? Courtney Williams with an orange, 50 out of 99. Jackie Young, Tammy Flynn. You want a Bonner? JC Sheldon. Nika Mole, Jalen Shern, Jordan Canada, Ezzy McBrewer, Jonah Holmes, Jaden Melbourne, and we got a fireworks. I thought it was a Caitlin Clark. Sabrina Inensu. That is Sabrina with the fireworks. Marina Marble, 68 out of 499. Natasha Cloud, Kate Wu, Lauren Jackson, Christy. 2 packs left. Just 2, folks. We got 2 packs left. Whoa. Nika Mole, Stephanie Soares, Bella. Osborne, Elizabeth Williams, Carly Samuelson, Tamika Catching. She's another groovy coming up. Boom. Maureen Jonas from Liberty. Not numbered. Christy Wallace with the pink eyes. 2/79. All right. Rika Jackson, Refractor. Monique Billings. Lucia. Last pack. Last pack. Chalisa Gray. Julie Vanloo. Ruth Riley. Cheryl Ford. Natasha Heinman. Skylar Diggins-Smith. Ooh! Another Caitlin Clark. Kaleidoscope this time. Base, looks like, right? Yeah, but it's a Caitlin Clark Kaleidoscope base. There you go. Rookie. That's something. Shakira Austin with the purple 126/149. Victoria Vivens. Brittany Grinder. Bridget Carlton. And a Johnny Carroll. All right. Nice, nice, nice. So we got another one of these. Caitlin Clark. I think we had one before. Kaleidoscope. Very interesting. We also got what was that, a 25? What was her? Here she is. I think she's been doing pretty well too. I just saw something that she signed a deal. I don't know if she's good or how good she is in WNBA. I don't watch it that much, but I think they won the championship, if I'm not mistaken, one of these years. And she's good. They AJ Wilson, I think. Right? I think that was 11/25 too. This could be something. I don't know. See that, and then we got Caitlin Clark. Kaleidoscope. We got this one, Caitlin Clark Groovy on 25, 1/25. So that's good. All right, folks. That is it. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, and we'll be back. Colossal Breaks.